Hello, folks. I'm LA Little, and this is today's short take. Some of the strongest, most durable trend setups that have taken place over the last 3, 4 years have been directly associated with quantitative easing. With Bank of Japan traveling down that path again in a big way. I'm looking at a weekly FXY. The break here led to a fast move down. You got to bounce out of it. Now QE announced again. More QE. What is that doing? That's leading to a direct effect again on this currency, driving it lower. And that currency move, of course, devalues the value of anything that's in Japanese yen. So if you look at the Japanese stock market, it's the exact opposite, right? This thing just blows higher. That announcement of QE was right here. They squeeze higher, spike higher, right? Come back down, test into this retest, regenerate zone off this high. And what are they going to do? They're going to come right back up here and test this high and try to break higher. There's a direct effect. It's undeniable, and it's specifically tied to quantitative easing. If you devalue your currency, you jack up your markets. We've seen it over and over in market after market over the last 4 or 5 years. Happening again in Japan. If you're not onto this trend, yeah, it's already moved a long way, and you don't want to just go in there willy-nilly and think that it's going to go straight up. It's going to bounce around, but the trend, if you pull this back and you put it on like a monthly chart and you take a look at it, this trend is up, folks. This is the S&P 500. Let me go back to the DXJ. This trend is higher. This top is gonna get blown away here at some point. And I mean blown away in the sense that we're just gonna take off. You already went over it. You're testing back into it right now. This is going to go higher and higher and higher. So if you're not onto this trend, you might want to think about how to get on it. There's going to be opportunities, but the overall trend, if you take this and just take the bottom, project it up and say, wow, that was a big move. Okay, so it come back this far. How much farther can it go? Well, it can stretch that much again. And that much is a long way. We're talking 22 points, that's 64. This thing can go another $10. 10% more. Pretty easy. It's going to take it a while, but that's where it's heading. So you might want to think about it. That's today's short take.